Hello boys and girls, welcome to a new vlog, and today we're going for a wedding. Not just any wedding, we're going for a traditional wedding. I don't think I've been to a traditional wedding as an adult, but anyways, I have my dress ready and we're gonna dance today. Even though I'm running late, it's already 2:12 and the wedding starts by 2. But one thing about these African weddings, don't be too early because they won't start exactly 2. I'm going to be doing my mom's makeup soon, then after that I'll dress up. But it's gonna be a fun vlog. I can't wait to catch up with you guys. I have a lot to catch up with you guys, and I want to do a makeup look because I'm getting back in my makeup bag, so I want to film a makeup tutorial. I just want to get a few products because the products I'm using now, I think I want to try something new, so please recommend makeup products that I can try because I really want to try new products. I'm tired of the ones I'm using now, so I know there are other good things out there. And I'm also trying not to wear lashes as much, but let's be honest, if you actually use lashes, it makes the look elevated, and I actually want to add lashes so bad. I think I just need a good mascara. Please recommend. I need a good mascara that can actually lift my lashes up because the one I tried, you can barely even notice that I use mascara. So I just think I need a new mascara. But anyways, we're going for a wedding. I'm so excited. I wanted to tie a Girly, but that's doing too much and I don't even know how to do one, and I don't know where I'm going to get someone to tie Girly, so I think we'll just wear a wig. And I think I'll get back to you guys when I have an outfit. But I need to do a full catch-up because a lot has happened. I think we'll do a full catch-up later. But welcome to a new vlog. This vlog is going to be exciting, so just stay tuned. I just like this vlog will be very, very exciting. I have a few things planned. So let me do my mom's makeup and we'll get straight to dressing up. So I'll catch up with you guys much later. Dressed and ready to go. This is the final look. I love this dress so much. This is so cute. This is so cute. So we're very late, like an hour late, but this is the final look, so we can start heading out now. It's a little bit gloomy, like it was rain, so we have to get there quickly. I went with silver accessories just to match my shoes, my earrings, the hair, and let me know what you think about the dress because I absolutely love it. I can't wait to dance. So yeah, let's start going. So this is the final look, and let's start heading out because I'm pretty late, but she is cute. This is so cute. It's so gloomy today. It's actually raining now, but it's so gloomy, so it's a little bit dark. So yeah, let's start heading out now. It's actually raining. Honestly, so sad. It's raining, like so bad. Like really like the foundation or something else. Well, I'm away now, and I get the back. It's so heavy. So I literally just got home, and I'm sure you're wondering where was the party, where was the dancing. It was more of introduction, giving bride price, dowry, all of that. And another thing is that it was raining. On our way there, the rain got so bad, and the parking spot in the event center was full, so we had to park outside. Then luckily we had an umbrella, so we used the umbrella, but the rain was so heavy that we were literally drenched, my hair, my clothes, everything. And when we got there, the hall was full and we had to stay somewhere else until they could find space for us. So I was so uncomfortable. I wanted to leave, but it was still raining, so we just had to stay a little bit. Then after that, I was like, I told my mom that I need to come back. The vibe was gone. I was not in the mood. I just want to take a shower, wipe my face, and just call it a day. Not what I expected for a traditional marriage, but I don't know, like I didn't like it at all. Plus the rain, so it was just making everything so bad. So it's still bright outside. It's like 6 p.m. now, so at least I stayed a little bit, but honestly I'm tired. Like I was literally drenched. I'm even surprised my makeup still on my face because the rain was so heavy. So we didn't get to dance. So maybe another time, maybe another traditional marriage, it might be different. Yeah, that was a lot. So yeah, let's call it a day, and I'll speak to you guys when I can. So yeah. I was actually so hungry, so I came to get Indomie because I cannot starve. I don't know what else. I'm just checking if there's any other thing I need before I head out. I think I also want to get suya. I just want to have noodles and suya because that's what I've been craving. I just left the supermarket now, so I want to get suya. I'm just getting back home. The main thing is I was able to satisfy my craving. I was really craving Indomie and suya, so that's what I went to get. So when I get home, I'll make that. Happy Children's Day, guys. I'm actually running late, so this might be chaotic, but it's Children's Day and I'm heading out now. My boat driver is already calling me and it's so hot today, but yeah, it's Children's Day and I'll be cooked inside my room for the whole day. So final destination is out, so I'm going to see with my friend, and yeah, let's just go out. I'll talk to you when we're moving. Yeah, one thing I'm never too late to do is an outfit check, so this is what we're going with, just something casual. And yeah, let's actually head out now. So let's go.